Dear students, this is ninth biology video class, unit 20, part 1, organ systems in animals. Today we are going to start new unit 20, organ systems in animals. Dear students, do you know what is organ? How it is made up of? Here I'll show you one picture. Here this part is called as an organ. So the picture what you are seeing is the one parts of human digestive system. In this you can find many organs. Organ means any part. You can find here salivary gland present in the mouth. Then you can find liver, that is one organ, and you can find spleen next to the stomach, and also you can find stomach and pancreas. So these are all called as organ. These are all called as organs. How these organs are made up of? How these organs are made up of? Here these organs are made up of tissue. You know what I mean by tissue? Tissue means a group of cells, they form a tissue. Group of cells, they form a tissue. Group of tissue, they form organ. Group of organs, they form organ systems in animals. So in this chapter we are going to see what is organ systems, how it is formed. In small organs joined together, they form one organ systems. We'll see introduction part. Living organisms are evolved from the simplest form to complex level of organization. So living organisms, any living organisms come from simplest structure to the complex structure by the organizations. The cells are the basic fundamental units of an organisms. You know what is cells? So living components, we can say. So the cells are the basic fundamental units of organisms. How organisms are made up of means cells only. Any organisms, whether it may be a single cells, or it may be a unicellular organisms, or it may be a multicellular organisms. Any organisms made up of cells. That's what they say here. Cells are the basic fundamental units of an organism. So these cells are grouped to form tissue. That's what we are seeing. That's what I told you. So here these cells are grouped to form tissues. The tissues into organs. These group of tissue, they form into organs. If you have textbook, students, take your textbook and just underline the cells are the basic unit fundamentals of organisms. Underline that sentence. These cells are grouped to form tissues. Underline this sentence. The tissues into organs. So this group of tissue, they form organ. That's what they say there. The tissues into organs. Then these organs are joined together, they form organ system. The organs form the organ systems, forming an entire organism. That's what explanation they given here. You can underline these lines also. These are grouped to form tissue. The tissues into organs. The organs form the organ systems, and they form entire organisms. So in this way only the organisms are formed. The different organs and organ systems of organisms functions and by depending on one another with a harmonious coordinations. how these hormones are functioning by coordinated way means due to coordinations by hormones. What do you mean by hormones? Hormones is a type of chemical substance. When we ride a bicycle, our muscular system and skeletal system work together to move our arms for steering one and legs for pedaling. I hope you all know how to ride bicycle, isn't it? Okay, when we ride bicycle during that time, what are the two systems coordinate each other means our muscular system and skeletal system, they work together. You know what I mean by together? Okay, they join together and just they work as a group to move our arms for steerings. For steerings means that front portions of that bicycle. Okay, that is where we hold the arms, where we hold the hands. That is because steering one, and legs for pedaling. Our nervous system, what they do, our nervous system directs our arms and legs to work. So yeah, those both systems are helpful for ride a bicycle. What are the both system? You can underline our muscular system and our skeletal system. Okay, and nervous systems, our nervous systems directs our arms as well as and legs to work together. Nervous system also they direct our arms as well as legs work together simultaneously. Simultaneous means you can underline this word at the same time. Not only these three systems are working. Which are these three systems? Our muscular system, skeletal system, the nervous system is not only working as a coordinated way. At the same time, some other organisms, other system also working in our body. What are those systems? We'll see now. The respiratory system, digestive system, and circulatory system work to provide energy to the muscles. Okay, so these other organ system also helpful for to provide energy to the muscles. All these systems work together in coordinations for maintaining the body in a homeostatic conditions of organisms. What is homeostatic conditions? Maintaining a continuous positions or maintaining internal environment, that is because of homeostatic conditions. So all these systems or organ systems makes our body to work continuously with properly. Okay, the next one, the organ and the organ systems have appeared first in the phylum Platyhelminthes. Just underline. They'll ask you organ or organ systems have appeared means just the raised starter. Which phylum starter means Platyhelminthes. In this phylum only organ and organ systems are appeared first. They'll ask you one word. Important one word, underline. And continuous till mammals from Platyhelminthes to and this organ started to appear till mammals. You know what I mean by mammals? The animal which give birth and feed milk, they call as a mammals. Similarly, group of cells form tissue like muscle tissue, nervous tissues. Okay, at the same time, like that, as the first organ system formed in the phylum Platyhelminthes until it continues to mammals. At the same, similarly, this group of cells form tissue like muscle tissue, nervous tissues. Tissues are organized to form organs like heart, brain. So what happens? These tissues are joined together and they form heart as well as brain. Two or more organs together form our organ systems and perform common functions like, underline, take a pencil, common functions like digestion, circulation, nerve impulse transmission in coordinations through digestive system. circulatory system, nervous system, respectively. Divisions, respectively. Divisions of labor is found among the various organ system. Here, each and every organ system, they divide their work and in order to function an organ properly. So in this chapter, we will learn about structure and functions of various organ systems like digestive system, excretory system, and male reproductive system in human being. All this system we are going to see. Okay, the next topic is the one they given one tabula column here. Organ systems in animals. What are organ systems are present in animals? We are going to see in this tabular column. Students, just listen. I'll read organ system, name of the organ system. You can say of your own. Integumentary system, integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, sensory system, endocrine system. So these are the organ system are present in our body. We are going to see one by one. Here, this organ system, in that integumentary organ systems, what are the organs are present here? Skin and skin glands. And what are the functions of it? Protection, excretions. And skeletal system. What are the organs are involved in the skeletal system? Skull, vertebral column, sternum, girdles, and limbs. What are the functions of this one? They give support, shape, and form to the body. You know what is they give support? The skeletal system, they give proper shape. Okay, and they support. That's what they say here. Then muscular system. Muscle fibers are involved in this. What are the functions of this muscular system is contraction and relaxation, resulting movement. The next system is the nervous system. What are the parts are present in this one? Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The functions of these organs are conductions of nerve impulse. Conductions of nerve impulse. The next one is the one circulatory system. What are the organs are involved in circulatory system? Heart, blood, and blood vessels. What are the use of this circulatory system? Transportations of respiratory gases. So we breathe in and breathe out the gases. Breathe in oxygen, breathe out carbon dioxide. That's they say as a transportations of respiratory system. Respiratory gases, the nutritive substances, and waste products. All these they transport through the circulatory system. The next respiratory system, the respiratory tract and lungs. Functions of it, breathing. The digestive system, the digestive tract and digestive glands. Functions of this one, digestion, absorption, digestion. The next one, excretory system. So these are the organs are involved for the excretory system. Kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. So these are the organs are present in the excretory system. What are the functions of this excretory system? Eliminations of nitrogenous waste products. What is nitrogenous waste products? The waste which presents in our blood. That waste will be sent out. Okay, urea, creatinine, ammonia, all these things we call as a nitrogen waste. Then reproductive system. testes and ovary. What is the use of that one? Gamete formation and development of secondary sexual character. The next one, sensory system. What are the organs are involved in the sensory system? Means eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. The functions of this sensory system is the one to see, that's a sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. The next system is the one endocrine system. What are the organs are involved in endocrine system? Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas gland, pineal gland, a pineal body, and thymus, and reproductive glands. So these are all organs are involved in endocrine system. Functions of it coordinates the functions of all organ system. So dear students, this tabular column is very important one. Just read today itself, go through. If you have any doubt in this tabular column, you can ask me. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just go through today itself. Otherwise, you will forget this topic. Okay, bye. Take care.